Shopping can be a fun and enjoyable activity, but it can also be a source of financial stress if you're not careful. If you find that you're spending money on non-essential items that you don't really need, it can be helpful to take steps to curb your shopping habits and save money. Here are some tips on how to stop shopping for non-essential items and save money. Number 1. Make a budget. One of the first steps to saving money is to create a budget. This will help you track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Start by listing all of your income and expenses, including bills, debts, and necessary expenses, like groceries and transportation. Then, allocate a certain amount of money for non-essential items, such as clothing or entertainment. This will help you see how much money you have available to spend on non-essential items and keep you from overspending. Number 2. Identify your triggers. It's important to understand what triggers your non-essential shopping. Do you tend to shop when you're feeling stressed or depressed? Do you get caught up in sales and discounts? Once you know what triggers your non-essential shopping, you can work on finding alternative coping mechanisms or ways to resist the temptation to shop. Number 3. Shop with a list. Before you head to the store, make a list of the items you need and stick to it. This will help you avoid making impulse purchases and buying things you don't really need. Number 4. Avoid shopping when you're emotional. It's easy to make impulsive purchases when you're feeling emotional, whether it's because you're happy, sad, or stressed. Try to avoid shopping when you're feeling emotional and instead, take some time to think about whether you really need the item before making a purchase. Number 5. Use cash instead of credit. It's easy to overspend when you're using a credit card because you don't physically see the money leaving your wallet. Instead, try using cash for your non-essential purchases. This will help you better understand how much you're spending and make you more mindful of your purchases. Number 6. Take a break. If you find that you're struggling to stop shopping for non-essential items, try taking a break from shopping altogether. This could be a few days, a week, or even a month. This will give you time to assess your shopping habits and decide what changes you need to make. Number 7. Find alternative activities. Instead of shopping for non-essential items, try finding alternative activities that bring you joy and relaxation. This could be going for a walk, trying a new hobby, or spending time with friends and family. Number 8. Seek support. If you're struggling to stop shopping for non-essential items, it can be helpful to seek support from friends, family, or a financial advisor. They can help you stay on track and offer encouragement and guidance. Number 9. Set financial goals. Having financial goals can help you stay motivated to save money and resist the temptation to shop for non-essential items. These goals could be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like saving for retirement. Number 10. Consider the cost. Before making a purchase, consider the cost not just in terms of money, but also in terms of time and effort. Will this purchase require you to work extra hours or give up other activities? Is it worth the cost? Number 11. Make a conscious effort to reduce your consumption. One of the biggest reasons people end up shopping for non-essential items is because they feel like they need more stuff. However, it's important to recognize that material possessions do not bring lasting happiness and fulfillment. Instead of focusing on accumulating more and more, try to make a conscious effort to reduce your consumption. This could mean decluttering your home, donating items you no longer use, or opting for experiences over things. Number 12. Shop secondhand. Instead of buying new items, consider shopping secondhand. This can be a great way to save money and reduce your impact on the environment. There are many thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces where you can find gently used clothing, furniture, and other household items at a fraction of the cost. Number 13. Take advantage of sales and discounts. While it's important to resist the temptation to buy things you don't need just because they're on sale, there's nothing wrong with taking advantage of sales and discounts on items you were already planning to buy. Just be sure to stick to your budget and only buy what you can afford. Number 14. Shop with a friend or family member. If you find that you're prone to making impulsive purchases, try shopping with a friend or family member who can help you stay on track. They can offer a second opinion and help you resist the temptation to buy things you don't need. Number 15. Use apps and tools to track your spending. There are many apps and tools available that can help you track your spending and identify areas where you can save money. For example, you can use a budgeting app to see where your money is going and set spending limits for different categories. You can also use a price comparison app to find the best deals on items you need to buy. Number 16. Avoid shopping when you're hungry or thirsty. It's a well-known fact that people tend to make poor decisions when they're hungry or thirsty. This is because our brains are more focused on finding food and water, and we're more likely to make impulsive choices. To avoid this, try to shop when you're well-fed and hydrated, or at least bring a snack or drink with you to the store. Number 17. Consider the environmental impact of your purchases. Not only can shopping for non-essential items be a drain on your wallet, it can also have a negative impact on the environment. The production and transportation of goods requires energy and resources, and many items end up in landfills after they're no longer used. By considering the environmental impact of your purchases, you may be more inclined to think twice before buying something you don't really need. Number 18. Don't be swayed by marketing and advertising. Marketing and advertising are designed to convince you that you need certain products or services. It's important to recognize that these tactics are often used to get you to spend more money, and that you don't need everything you see advertised. Instead, try to tune out the marketing messages and focus on what you truly need and value. Number 19. Take a cooling off period. If you're tempted to buy something non-essential, try taking a cooling off period before making a decision. This could be a few hours, a day, or even a week. During this time, think about why you want the item and whether it's really worth the cost. This can help you avoid making impulsive purchases that you may later regret. Number 20. Use coupons and rewards programs. If you do decide to shop for non-essential items, try to use coupons and rewards programs to save money. Many retailers offer discounts to loyal customers or those who sign up for their email lists, so be sure to take advantage of these opportunities. You can also use apps and websites that help you find the best deals and coupons available. By following these tips, you can stop shopping for non-essential items and save money. It may take some time and effort, but by being more mindful of your shopping habits and finding alternative activities, you can improve your financial situation and have more money available for the things that truly matter to you. So these are some of the ways you can stop shopping for non-essential items and save money. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching and see you all soon.